Hi guys, welcome to this video. Good evening. I got here a excuse me. Yes, I got here a a fruit bar from Open Nature, and these are from Shaw's Supermarket, and it's called Open Nature, the brand, and it is a fruit bar, and its flavor of fruit bar is mango, and that's how it looks like. And it got it looks like it has real mango inside because it's from Open Nature, so it should have it should be accumulated as uh, healthy and alternative ice cream, and yeah, so I got one here. It brings six. It brings six in each box, you know, and this box was uh, somewhat damaged. It was damaged, so this ice cream is kind of damaged, but I think it's good. Um, you know, yes. So yeah. Um, so yeah, this is a food review. Open Nature, fruit bars, mango, frozen popsicle. All right. So I'm just gonna open this up here with a food review. It looks like it got a little melted. Yeah, it got a little melted. Yeah. And remember, you could get these at Shaw's Supermarket. I do not know if other superstore has them, but it could be that any superstore could have the brand Open Nature and the popsicle fruit bars mango. It brings different flavors, natural flavors. Um, I seen lime. I seen the flavor too. Strawberry. They got a whole bunch of flavors that one can enjoy. Um, yeah. It it tastes good. It tastes like a natural popsicle, and if we can read on the back, well, we can read on the front, and it says the brand name, the brand name, Open Nature, and it says to just chilling. It's a good popsicle to just have a good time and relax and enjoy one's natural popsicle. Um, then it says free from artificial flavors and artificial sweeteners. So it basically has natural um, sugar. It has natural flavor. You know, it brings six in a box. It says, and it says made with real fruit. So it's basically made with real fruit. Yeah, it tastes good. Nice and nice treat. Um, in the side of the box is the same. The bottom too is the same, with the expiration date. Yeah. It's not expired, but it's good. Um, it says something in the back too. It says something in the back. It says the thing that says in the front, and then it says open natures makes it easy to choose amazingly tasting foods. So basically, Open Nature is a brand, so it can come with the other food variety with the name brand, Um, it has that creaminess of natural creaminess to it, like the a natural um, taste to it, like a mango should. And they have basically other uh, flavors like strawberry, lime, and I even saw, and they got the mango. They got other ones too, other popsicle flavor with open nature. I am not sponsored by Open Nature, not yet. But I'm just doing a food review, of it, of the mango popsicle. So it begins to say, and hardworking home products. So it has products, it has different products, the Open Nature brand. Then it says, made with thoroughly chosen ingredients, all right, and free from unnecessary additives for the kind of quality you'll love. So basically, we're gonna love the quality of Open Nature because it is just free from unnecessary additives for you know and is thoroughly chosen ingredients. You know, I basically almost had a brain freeze a couple of minutes ago. Yeah, because I bit into it. Yeah, two times, and the side, one side, and the other side. It's cold. It's a popsicle. You should we all should enjoy ice cream. Yeah, popsicle. It's sweet. It's got that mango sweetness. It's like creaminess too with that. Yeah. So yeah. So if you want to get it, the brand is Open Nature. This one is mango, but they have different popsicles flavored, natural flavors. Yeah. Um. Yeah. Um. I'll give it 1 to 10. I'll give it a 10 because it's natural and it's healthy. Er, popsicle, fruit popsicle. So I give it a 10 because it's nice and good. You know. Yeah. Um, and if you want to get it, you could get it. Open Nature brands. Hope you guys enjoy that. Well, that's my video. for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Until next time, see you guys later. Bye.